Hello, I'm Nabeel Rashid. I had very severe pain in my hips. I consulted Dr. Feras Noury for this pain, and he decided to make the operation for me. I really came to the hospital in wheelchair. I could not walk before. When I arrived to the hospital, then we made the operation with Dr. Feras, and I would like to thank also Dr. Muhammad Radwan for his good anesthesia. When I wake up from the anesthesia, I was really very comfortable from the treatment, and I was in ICU after the operation 3 hours, even stand up in my feet and walk in the walker with the help of the physical therapy. That was very fast relief, which I believe it was a very good, successful operation done by Dr. Feras. The next day I was in my room without any problem, and I could go off my bed and walk. Alhamdulillah, the operation was really successful, and I could walk now in one crutches only without using 2 crutches, and I left the wheelchair. And really I'm very comfortable with my walking now. I can stand up very comfortable and do my things, and I could live my life again with this one crutches, And thanks very much of the hospitality of the hospital and the treatment, and really I could give 10 out of 10 for the whole treatment and hospitality in the hospital. Thank you.